Hi there! Today I saw a guy that posted a picture on Reddit that he levitates a ping pong ball on top of a fan of his new Xbox Series X, and you know what? Its cooling system is exactly like a furnace. Let me explain what I mean by that. The holes on the back of the Xbox are actually the inlet, air inlet, because the fan at the top is blowing off the hot air, and for a moment we will ignore completely the fan, but what I mean by that is that hot air will rise to the top, and it's exactly like in a furnace like this. So if you remove the top cover, and this is our air inlet where you would put a fuel, in this instance it's wood. If you remove the top cover, there is an outlet, and the hot air and also smoke will rise up to the top and go up here. There is an exhaust on the back, so once this is covered, the hot air will go there because of the difference of the pressures. But let me show you how does this work. We have some wood that started to burn. It's exactly like CPU that is very hot. It introduces a lot of hot air. I closed the top cover for this moment because I don't want to smoke up this room yet. And what you will be able to see, because I added some fuel here to help it burn easier, because this wood, it can be a little bit damp. But you will see here that if I close this inlet, and those are the holes on the back, if I close them up, it will slow down the burn process. It quieted down a little bit. Let me open it again. That explains why the connectors are on the back of the Xbox. Where are the inlets? Because it would ensure that there is a distance, because you have a cable connector, so there is at least some few centimeters of distance between the holes of where the air inlets are and the wall or anywhere you put it. So this is actually the best way to stand your Xbox, because it has a lazy Susan, the rotation thingy on the bottom. These are the air inlets. This is the air outlet. So that would be the most efficient way to cool down your Xbox. Now, to show you how the top port would work, let me remove the top cover. So you can see smoke is coming through, and if I introduce a fan over this and open the front inlet, it will introduce even more smoke, and as you can see, I can steer the steam. I mean, in this case, the stream of smoke. So this induces draft over the source of the heat. So it will remove even more heat. So in this instance, the wood will burn even more. So let me just close this down. This is basically taking away the heat from anything inside the furnace or inside your Xbox, like CPU, GPU, and so on. So they are introducing a draft over whole elements inside the device, and it's basically built like a furnace with additional fan. I think that's a really good cooling design, but don't worry, that's not a new design that Microsoft came up with. The Apple had that already, and they also had these are the inlets. This is the outlet over on the top, and here are the ports. So there will be at least some part of the inlet uncovered, and that's basically a very common design. Unfortunately, they don't use it often because it is really impractical. And also, I don't live like this. I just sometimes record here. Hope you enjoy. See you next time, guys.